Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can add a summary row to the list of form responses to summarize the values within the columns. To add a summary row of form responses, click the Table button in the toolbar at the top of the View Responses tab, and then click into the responses shown. Then click the Add Summary Row button in the toolbar to add a blank summary row to the bottom of the responses. You can then click into a cell within this summary row under the column you want to summarize. Then click the small button, which looks like an equal sign that appears at the right side of the selected cell, to display a drop-down menu of summarization functions, such as sum, average, count, and others. Within this drop-down menu, click the name of the summary function to perform on the values within the column above. The summary will then appear within the selected cell. You can then repeat this process for the other columns you want to summarize within this row. When you are finished, you can click the Responses button within the toolbar at the top of the View Responses tab to change the buttons in the toolbar back to their default Responses view. You can also view responses to a form within a summarized report by clicking the Summary Report tab after form responses have been submitted. Form Central will display a summary of the values within the report based on the fields within the form. Each field on which report data is gathered will be shown in this report as a separate chart within the report area. Form Central creates the charts based on existing form fields, but you can edit and delete them if you choose. To delete a chart from a report, place your mouse pointer over the chart to delete, and then click the Delete Chart button that appears in the upper right corner of the chart. To edit the display of a chart, place your mouse pointer over the chart to edit, and then click the Customize Chart button that appears in the upper right corner of the chart to select your desired customization options from the drop-down menu that appears. You can also click and drag the charts within the report area to rearrange them if desired. To rename a chart, double-click the chart's title and then enter a new name into the title field. Then click outside of the title field to set the new title of the report. To save the report charts as images in a zipped file, or save the report as a PDF, or to print the report, click the Report button that appears in the toolbar at the top of the tab, and then click either the Save as Images, Save as PDF, or Print buttons in the toolbar respectively to open a dialog box where you can select your options if needed, and then click the OK button to accomplish the selected task.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.